How to pay your SpayLater bill in Shopee using Maya app. Step 1. Generate the QR code in Shopee. Open the Shopee app. Tap Me in the main menu. Then tap SpayLater. Tap Pay Bills. Tap Pay Now. Open Payment Method. Select InstaPay as a payment method. Tap Confirm. Tap Pay Now. The app will display a QR code for the transaction. Tap Save QR code. Step 2. Open Maya app and upload the QR code. Open the Maya app. Tap Pay QR from the main menu. Choose Upload QR code. Upload the QR code you saved from Shopee. Tap Continue. Confirm the payment details and tap Pay. Step 3. Confirm payment. Check your SpayLater balance in Shopee to ensure the payment was successful.